Eric here with BoatAC.net. This really cool boat. It's a 2022 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. We put in a Mabru power systems, 500 BTU running straight off the batteries. And let's go down into this little cabin. Basically, it's a small cabin. This bed actually slides out to that ledger. So it makes like a little sleeping quarters. It's the cold air return there. There goes the unit. So we've got inbound and outbound condensation line, ducting. Oh, came out nice and tidy. Got one vent just there, and this vent can be adjusted in that direction, so it'll actually blow air around this corner and condition the whole space. And when this bed is folded down, air will come through this gap as a diffuser. So that's that. And here's the head, and we put a vent just there, so the ductwork runs under this counter and then to that duct there that conditions the bathroom space. So there you go, another awesome install by BoatAC.net, putting the Mabru DC unit in. Stay tuned for the next videos.